In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DocuSign with Monday.com to streamline your document management process efficiently and effectively. We'll kick things off by opening your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you handle your documents, contracts, or approvals. It's important to verify that you have admin access or the required permissions to add integrations, as this will be crucial for setting up the integration successfully. Next, we'll access the Integration Center. Head to the top right corner of your board and click the Integrate button, which looks like a puzzle icon. In the search bar, type DocuSign to find the integration option. Click on DocuSign once it appears in the list to select it. If you don't see it, check that your plan supports third-party integrations, such as the Pro or Enterprise plans. With the integration selected, it's time to connect your DocuSign account. Click Connect when prompted, and a new window will open for DocuSign authorization. Here, you'll need to log in using your DocuSign credentials and allow Monday.com access to your DocuSign account. After successfully connecting, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the integration is active. Now let's choose an integration recipe. Recipes are pre-made workflows that determine when and how Monday.com and DocuSign will interact. Some popular examples include when status changes to send for signature, send the document via DocuSign, or when a document is signed, change the status to signed. You can pick a recipe that best fits your workflow or create a custom automation if needed. Once you have selected your recipe, it's time to configure the automation. Choose your trigger column, such as status or button, and select which file column contains the document you want to send. Next, define the recipient's email, either from a text column or a people column, and set any optional fields like CC email or message body. An example might be a trigger that activates when the status changes to send for signature with a file from the proposal document column sent to the client email as the recipient. The next step is to test the integration. Upload a test document, change the status to your designated trigger condition, and check your DocuSign account to ensure the document is marked as sent. Once it's signed, Monday.com should automatically update the item's status or send you a notification confirming everything is working smoothly. Finally, track your signed documents by adding a status column or text column to monitor where each document stands, be it pending signature, sent, signed, or declined. To further streamline the process, you can add automations and notifications, such as alerting the team when a document is signed or moving items to a completed group once the necessary signatures have been obtained. This sets up a seamless, automated approval process from start to finish.